In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check at an ATM, specifically focusing on Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America. Depositing a check through an ATM is a convenient option that allows you to manage your finances without ever stepping foot inside the bank. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident by the time we're done. First, you'll want to locate a nearby ATM that supports this service. It's important that you visit your bank's ATM, whether you're with Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, and ensure the ATM accepts check deposits. Usually this information is displayed on the ATM itself, often labeled as deposit friendly. If you're unsure, the bank's website or mobile app is a handy resource for finding the right location. Once you're at the ATM, take out your debit card, insert it into the ATM slot as you normally would for any other transaction. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your PIN. It's essential to enter this carefully to avoid any errors that might cause delays. Once you're logged in, the screen will guide you through your transaction options. Now look for the option on the screen that says Deposit or Make a Deposit. Tap on that choice and then select Check Deposit when prompted. This sets the stage for depositing your check without any hitches. It's time to insert your check into the ATM. Before doing so, make sure you've endorsed it by signing the back where it's indicated. Insert the check into the designated slot. Most modern ATMs will automatically scan and read your check, capturing the necessary information digitally. After the ATM scans your check, it will display the amount on the screen. Take a moment to verify this amount. If it looks good, go ahead and tap Continue. However, if there's a discrepancy, most machines allow you to edit the amount before proceeding. Next, you need to choose which account you'd like to deposit your check into. Your options will typically include your primary accounts like checking or savings. Select the appropriate account and ensure that's where you want the funds directed. Finally, you'll reach the confirmation stage. Double-check all the transaction details on the screen for accuracy. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm the deposit. If you'd like to have a physical copy of your transaction, opt for Print Receipt. This printed record serves as proof of your deposit and can come in handy if you need to reference this transaction later. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to depositing a check at an ATM for Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America customers. With these steps, you can complete your banking swiftly and securely anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.